Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. This is my second go with the Whirley Pop. Once again, we got broken gear on the bottom right there. Once again, all I did is I emailed Whirley Pop, found the contact information online, and I said, hey, what are we going to do? Is there any possibility that you can send me some gears? And they said, sure, no problem. They really stand behind their product, so Whirley Pop is fantastic. That's why we've had it for so long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out both the gears because this one, even the top gear's tight. Now I have showed you how to do this in that previous video. I'm going to show you how to do this one too. I'm also going to take this opportunity to clean out all the 15 years of gunk that we have produced. So they charged me $0. They even give you an Allen wrench for it. Okay, so they're just nylon gears. Kind of wish they would maybe CNC some gears, make them a little better, but I suppose you want something to be cheap, easily replaceable in case somebody gets something stuck and they just want to force it, because you don't want any of this stuff to fail. You'd rather have the gears fail. I showed you how to do this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Okay, and then we just are going to simply pull this shaft out right there. That's where it sits. I'm going to clean this up. I got it pretty clean. This is a little collar that needs to go in here. It came out when I was cleaning. There was so much gunk I couldn't see what it was, but it's just a little collar that helps the shaft go through, but you could see this all worked out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take this guy off. There it is. Okay. And just pop that out of there. This one was in good shape, but it's the original gear. We got 2 new gears. Might as well take advantage of them. Flat spot of both of these axles. That has to line up with this. Now let's go ahead and press that guy on there. Okay. We're not going to tighten them yet. We're going to mesh them in first. So now I'm going here. Boom. Make sure that that needs to be okay. So before I tighten these, I'm going to give it a spin because I want to make sure these are matching up exactly the way we want them, and it looks pretty darn good, pretty tight. Okay, now the reason I wanted to tighten them up is because on both of the axles you can pull this out a little bit, have a little more play on this side to touch this gear, or same thing here. You can push that gear in, that axle in a little bit farther so that it touches these gears. I don't want them to jam the gears, but I want them to have a good firm contact. That's why I didn't tighten them yet. Now I'm just going to tighten them. And mind you, this is going into nylon. So these will strip. These will definitely strip. Boom. Go ahead and give it a last spin. Bada boom, bada bang. All right. So, once again, Whirley Pop, it's a great product. It really is. In this video, I showed you how to change, actually, both, not just the vertical axle, but also the horizontal axle gear on a Whirley Pop. Before you replace it, call them up. What's the worst that's going to happen? They're going to say no. They said yes twice. I've changed gears on this guy twice now. So